Are you ready to transform your fitness journey without leaving home? Finding the perfect treadmill can be overwhelming with so many options out there. That's why we've done the research for you. Today, we're counting down the top 5 treadmills that combine quality, affordability, and features. Number 5. Kicking off our list at number 5 is this compact powerhouse that's perfect for anyone short on space but big on fitness goals. This treadmill features a reliable 3.0 horsepower motor that delivers smooth and quiet operation, so you won't disturb your family during workout sessions. What makes this model stand out is its impressive 300-pound weight capacity, making it suitable for a wide range of users. The LED display keeps you informed about speed, distance, time, and calories burned. The foldable design is a game changer for small apartments, allowing you to easily store it away when not in use. The handlebar provides excellent stability and safety during workouts, whether you're walking, jogging, or running. With its combination of durability and space-saving features, this treadmill offers incredible value for money. If you want to check out the link for this amazing treadmill, you'll find it in the description and comments below. Number 4. Coming in at number 4, we have a versatile fitness machine that adapts to your workout needs. This 4-in-1 treadmill offers walking, jogging, running, and incline training modes. The 10% incline feature is fantastic for intensifying cardio sessions and targeting different muscle groups, especially your glutes and calves. With a 300-pound weight capacity, it accommodates various body types comfortably. The portable and foldable design makes it incredibly convenient for home use, and you can easily move it around thanks to its compact footprint. The handlebar provides extra support and safety during challenging incline workouts. The built-in screen displays all your essential workout metrics, keeping you motivated throughout your session. Whether you're a beginner or experienced athlete, this treadmill delivers on all fronts. The value from this multifunctional machine is outstanding. For the link to this fantastic treadmill, check the description and comments below. Number 3. At number 3, we're stepping up the game with a treadmill that takes incline training to the next level. This 3-in-1 powerhouse boasts an impressive 14% incline capability, which is exceptional for a home treadmill. The higher incline allows you to simulate hill climbing, dramatically increasing calorie burn and muscle engagement without stressing joints. The 3.0 horsepower motor ensures whisper-quiet operation even during intense sessions. Perfect for apartment living or early morning workouts. Supporting up to 300 pounds, this machine is built to last with quality construction that feels stable during use. The foldable design with wheels makes storage and relocation effortless, while the handlebar adds safety and comfort. The clear LED display tracks workout data, helping you achieve fitness goals, whether training for a race or staying in shape. This treadmill provides the versatility you need. Don't miss out. Check the description and comments for the link. Number 2, our runner-up is specifically designed with women's fitness needs in mind, though excellent for anyone seeking a user-friendly home treadmill. This electric folding model combines style with substance, featuring an intuitive interface that makes starting your workout simple. The 3.0 horsepower motor delivers consistent performance, whether warming up or pushing through intense cardio. What sets this treadmill apart is its thoughtful design, from the cushioned running surface reducing joint impact to the ergonomic handlebar providing comfortable grip. The LED display shows vital workout statistics at a glance. The folding mechanism is smooth and secure, maximizing living space when not in use. With attractive design and practical features, this treadmill fits seamlessly into any home while delivering professional performance. It's perfect for maintaining a healthy, active lifestyle from home. Ready to start? Find the link in the description and comments. Number 1. And here we are at number 1, the best treadmill that checks every box. This compact 3-in-1 machine is the complete package for home fitness enthusiasts. The ultra-quiet 3.0 horsepower motor ensures you can work out without disturbing others, while the adjustable incline lets you customize workout intensity. Supporting up to 300 pounds, this combines impressive weight capacity with portability. The LED display provides real-time feedback on speed, distance, time, and calories. What makes this our top pick is the perfect balance of quality, features, and value. The compact design doesn't compromise performance. You get a full-size workout that folds away neatly. The sturdy construction feels solid during use, while thoughtful engineering makes it easy to move and store. Whether starting your fitness journey or seasoned at running, this adapts perfectly. It's the smart choice for home fitness. Find the link in description and comments below. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like our videos, share them on social media, and leave your comments below. See you in the next video.